Hey, good morning. This is Tim at JH Barkau and Sons in Cedarville. This is our 2017 GMC Yukon XL Denali, 16,000 miles. Was a General Motors factory exec. It's in white frost tint coat. Just going to do a little walk around on it here. Has the 20-inch alloy wheels, factory installed tube steps, Continental tires. Has a trailer tow package. It is four-wheel drive, backup camera, reverse sensing. This has the safety and the technology package on it, so it has Bluetooth hands-free phone, as well as forward collision alert, lane departure warning. It's a Carfax One owner, like I mentioned, General Motors factory exec. Projection beam headlights with the LEDs, fog lights. Vehicle is super clean, very much like new. Those are the forward sensing sensors. Does have factory remote start. Has the light tan interior. Automatic headlamps with fog lights. Auto track four-wheel drive. Integrated brake controller. This is your StabiliTrak control, your reverse sensors, your lane departure warning, power adjustable pedals. Has a heads-up display that pops up here in the dash. Forward collision alert. Heated steering wheel. And when you do the remote start function, it turns the heated steering wheel and the heated seats on. Has the Chevy or GMC IntelliLink. Get them mixed up. Heated and ventilated seats. Tri-zone automatic climate control. Has multiple USB and auxiliary power points. There is no power sunroof in this one. It also has the Droid charging pad. All you have to do is bump your Droid phone up against this and it'll charge it. It will not work with an Apple iPhone unless you get the adapter for the iPhone. It's all badged with the Denali. Has the perforated seats for the ventilated seats. Tilt and telescoping power steering wheel. Dual power seats. Has the second row buckets, which are also heated. There's your rear climate control buttons. All LED lighting on the interior and exterior. The third row seats. Has Bose audio also. Power liftgate. Has the GMC accessory cargo mat. Has the carpeted floor mats as well as the cargo net for the back. This also has the power fold second row and power fold third row seats. Does have the heavy duty Z85 trailer tow package. Vehicle is in excellent condition. I don't really see any scratches or defects on it. Does have both remotes with a power lift gate, power lift gas, your lock and unlock. Power passenger seat as well as heated and ventilated on the passenger side. Does have the grab handle for climbing in and out. This is the passive entry system, so all you have to do is have the remote with you within 3 feet of the door. Touch the pad, it'll lock or unlock depending on what you're doing, gaining entrance or leaving the vehicle. So this is it, 2017 GMC Yukon XL Denali. There's 3 accessories that it's missing: power sunroof, rear entertainment DVD, and the power running boards. This has the fixed running boards. Power running boards are an option on it. I say it does have the forward-facing camera, does have navigation, also has OnStar, which you get free as a 90-day trial. Then it's a subscription after that. With the OnStar subscription, you also get 3 years of the OnStar Remote Link app free to use. Again, this is Tim at GH Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. It's Friday, March 16th. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It can be contacted and reached at 815-718-9288. Hope this little video is helpful. Look forward to hearing back from you. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Have a great Friday.